That's okay. Now, here we go. What? Where's the queen? Left or right? Left or right? Left or right? Sino nagsabing nasa kaliwa? Nasa kanan? You know what, ladies and gentlemen? You are all hypnotized at the beginning of my dominant magic act because there's no queen on the right side, there's no queen on the left side because the queen is right here all the time, ladies and gentlemen. And that is my 3-card Monday Magic! And now if you love the show, please,